Handball.
With respect to the enthusiasm and the passion of the students, and we are very clear, we are very hopeful that yes, there is potential, yes, there is talent. We just need to nurture the right talent. We are trying to hunt that talent among the students who are right now here.
This is one of the very first kind of event we are conducting from Shine Group of Institutions. We have so many institutions spread across Karnataka, but intra-collegiate wherein sports and different type of activity programs we are conducting, and amazing response we have seen from the students' perspective, and there have been a lot of demand also from parents and students.
Thanks to the Shine team for providing this platform for us. It's been a great day for us. Thank you.
Alhamdulillah, the match with the grace of Almighty, we have won the match. Like we have won the tournament with our teammates. They just supported us well, and the audience, they played very important role in cheering us. Thanks for all the.
Thank you for this title fiesta. It was unbelievable. Thanks a lot, sir. I would like to thank you.